What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV coming to you from KAS here in Antalya, Turkey. Let's do it. In this KAS travel guide, we're going to do some beachfront restaurants. We're also going to eat at a restaurant along the river, since that's what's popular out here in this area of the Turkish Riviera. We're also going to stay at a hotel, show you what that looks like, and then stay at an Airbnb, which I would recommend if you can get one. And we're going to show you how to have a good time while here. All right, so here we are starting on the drive from Antalya down to KAS. It takes about 2 hours. We did it in a private van. Okay, so when you visit the Turkish Riviera, you'll notice there's these restaurants that are along these streams and these rivers. This one's Salal. Let's go down there and take a look. If you guys don't mind eating kebab in the middle of a jungle like a safari, then these kind of restaurants are perfect for you. But if you need to be in a contained area in a city, stay away from these outdoor kind of environments. For me, I love these restaurants. The only question I have for the designer here is, how do you guys protect the restaurant from flooding? Yeah, I really love these restaurants. It's like a picnic in the river with gourmet food. My first time trying Rocky, Turkish. I love lamb. All right, so after some Turkish Rocky and some lamb, we are back out on the road again. You could see it was raining a bit, and then it just cleared up and became sunny again. And the first night we ended up staying here at Hotel Fellows. We got 2 rooms. Each room was around $75 per room. All right, now that we're all settled in and checked into the hotel, we're gonna head down to the town of KAS, walk around this scenic little village, show you the marina, the waterfront, and see what's going on. And when you're walking around, what you can expect to see are gallery shops, Turkish rugs, cafes, fruit juice stands, seafood restaurants, and tour companies offering you trips out to some of the Greek islands off the coast or some of the Turkish islands around here. You can actually catch a ferry boat to Rhodes from this port. And if you guys are looking to take a taxi, here's the prices. We're just kind of walking along here, and right in this garden they got some eggplants growing. And if you look right behind me, they have the immigration station where they stamp you in and out. That's if you want to go to the Greek islands. Yeah, I would say if you were to plan to come to KAS, you would probably stay 5 to 7 days, go to the Greek islands 1 or 2 days, come back to KAS, stay at one of the bungalows, kind of do some historical tours. They have quite a few Greco-Roman archaeological sites around the area, actually. Or, you know what you can do? Really just relax. Get a hotel, get an Airbnb right next to one of the many beach coves, and just chill out. And as you can see, they have plenty of shopping here, whether you need new beachwear or you just want to take some souvenirs home. They got you covered out here. All right, so we head back to the hotel, and then tomorrow we wake up and we're headed to an Airbnb, and this Airbnb was perfect. And here on the Turkish Riviera, there's several different campgrounds. This one right here offers tent camping, also mobile homes, and some other alternative setups, but camping all up and down the Turkish Riviera here. Yeah, and if you look off in the distance, you can also see cabins. All right, guys, we're here at Ada Beach on the other side of KAS. Let's go take a look. Look at that water behind me. It looks very appetizing. Let's go take a dive. So we got this new apartment condo, and on site they grow fruit. The cool thing about this hotel condo is that some of the fruits you can identify, some you can't. This is obviously lime, but I think that's fig right there. The other one was maybe nectarine or peach. Man, we are out here at this Airbnb. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at this view at sunset. And here we have the cameraman, Benjamin Kostelik. You can check the link below for a link to his channel. Yeah, they really put you right on the water here at the Mermaid. Got some fresh lemonade. Yeah, really great food, and guess how much it came out to for two people? $30 for two, right there on the sunset on the beach. We're now leaving KAS and we're going to Olden Ace. Let's go.